Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Star and Leah here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to get free stuff. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is a tip for small YouTubers like myself. It's just something I discovered a few months ago, and also whether you're just sitting around watching YouTube, you don't have your own channel, you can still receive free items just like anybody else. So let's not make this intro too long. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So a few months ago I received this box from Influencer, and I'll put the name up here because it's not spelled like, you know, influence or whatever. But anywho, so I received pasta sauce, some Gold Bond moisturizing lotion, and some Kiss eyelashes, and also some Suave dry spray deodorant. And this was a box. This was my first box from Influencer. I'm not for sure if my camera is focusing, but okay, here we go. And here are the items that I got. I received only 4 items in this package, but this package had the normal size of the items. None of these were trial size. They were the large bottles, and well, the large tube of the lotion, and the large jar of the pasta sauce, and also the deodorant came in a decent size. It wasn't a trial size. I still have the eyelashes though. I haven't tried these yet, by Kiss, and as you can see, most of this stuff is actually like real name brand items, and you all will see that in the second box that I received. But I received this box a few months ago, and I will insert a picture of the box because I did take a picture of it. But all of these items were sent to me for free, and all I had to do was a few reviews on it. Now I received this box, technically I received this box in June, but I have been doing so much traveling this summer that I don't know how, but I don't remember ever getting contacted by my apartment complex about the package that I received. So that's a whole nother story, but I got this package maybe a couple of days ago, and this one just says just for you, and it has a little oil up here for me moisturizing my hair. And yeah, let me just figure out how to open it. Okay. So this box came with a lot of items, and I do need to take a picture of it, but we're just gonna go through these items. So my favorite that I got is this, and let's see, it is some Shea Moisture body lotion. It's the raw shea butter hydrating body lotion, and it's in the trial size, but I never tried this lotion before. And if any of you may know, I am pretty much like on a natural journey. A lot of the products that I use do not have fragrance in them, and Shea Moisture has a lot of clean products, and that's pretty much what I've been trying to use, clean products. So I'm really excited about trying out this lotion. I also got this CS Moi Is Me Gentle Foaming Cleaning Gel. It says it's made for young, delicate skin, and it says use daily to cleanse the face, both morning and evening before moisturizer. Use circular motions and gently massage and da-da-da-da. So this is pretty much a facial wash. I haven't heard of this. Let me see. Okay, I haven't heard of this product, but it says it's very gentle. I will have to do some research on it just to see how it is, and I could prepare myself. Oh, it says no fragrance, parabens, phthalate, sulfates, mineral oil, propylene glycol or dye. So this should be a pretty clean product, especially because it doesn't have parabens, sulfates, or fragrance in them. One reason I stay away from fragrance, by the way, is because companies are able to put fragrance on any products, and pretty much a fragrance could be 1,000 chemicals that they mix together in the in the factory, so you never really know exactly what you're putting on your body, because they can camouflage all of the things that they put in the fragrance just by saying fragrance or parfum. So it's kind of like that might be a whole extra 1,000 ingredients that I don't know about that I'm putting on my body. And also I actually got some of these Empress nails. So I have seen a lot of YouTubers use press-on nails. I've actually tried this before about, it had to be a few months ago, and it quite didn't work out for me, but being that I got these as a free item, I might try them again. I did get my nails done maybe about 3 weeks ago, and I ended up popping them all off like maybe 2 days ago, just because, I don't know, like, I used to get my nails done a lot, and then I stopped getting them done a lot, and then it just, it made me realize that, oh my god, the height wasn't like that real. But I don't know, sometimes I miss my nails, sometimes I'd rather not have any on. And then again, I started thinking like, when would I ever have time to constantly go get my nails done, go to the salon, wait for my turn? I don't know, it might be something that I'll go back to. Then again, who knows, but I may try these again, but I'm still not for sure. And they pretty much give you a few directions on the back on how to put them on. And I think this is a really pretty color. I don't know. Alright, also got some tanned skin solution for ingrown hairs, razor bumps, shaving, waxing. Well, actually, I go to the European Wax Center, so I do a lot of waxing. I try not to use any razors or shavers for some of the reasons that they say up here. Razor bumps and ingrown hairs, when you shave, you're pretty much only getting the layer. You're not actually getting like all of the hair out. So, I don't know, it still could be useful because I actually wax my own legs. I might do a video on that. I wax my own legs. So, and I also wax my upper lip myself, so I don't know, it probably could work. Let me see if the ingredients are on the outside. Yeah, so this actually has alcohol, glycerin, and some other things. It should be a clean product because I'll explain later in the video. Based on the questions I asked, it should be a clean product. And I also have Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Body Wash. I'm actually kind of excited to try these. I actually got 3 of them. Okay, and so the blue one is the rainwater scent, and the yellow one is the honeysuckle scent, and the green one is the lemon verbena scent. I'm not for sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but okay, so you pretty much just use it like regular body wash. I was just reading the back a while ago, and I'm pretty excited to see this. I see a lot of Mrs. Meyer's products. They have hand soap and cleaning solutions and stuff like that, and I believe they are clean products. I haven't did like thorough research on them, but every time I look in like the clean product section in Target and Walmart, I always run across Mrs. Meyer's. So I thought it would be good to actually try these once I get a chance. But I wanted to come up here and show you all of the products I received first. And that's it for this box. So you all, I pretty much got 3 body washes, some press-on nails, some facial cleaner, some lotion, and some tanned skin solution before I do my waxing. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 products this month for free. So I'm pretty excited about those. So let me go ahead and tell you all how you can get your own free products. It's super easy. All you want to do is go ahead and go on influencer.com, and I will link the website below, and I'll also have it across the screen for you all. So it's pretty easy. You just go and make an account, and you can set up your profile by answering questions. So they'll ask you certain things like, what type of diet do you eat? Are you living in an apartment or a house? Do you have roommates? They ask you about pets. Do you have pets? Because they can send you some products for your pets. They ask you various questions. They actually ask you what type of products do you use, what stores you shop at, and based on that information they decide what to put in your box so that they'll know that the products that they are sending you that you will actually test out and that you will use. And once you receive those items, and before you even begin receiving items, you can go up there and begin to review some of the items. Like I reviewed a lot of MAC lipstick, a lot of makeup products that I already own. And once you do your own reviews on products that you already have and what you think of them, that's how they'll know, oh, this person doesn't really like these products, but they like those products. So they'll know exactly what to send you. Just like in my first box, I got some organic pasta sauce. Like I said before, I'm kind of trying my best to eat clean and actually put clean products on my body. So they sent me organic pasta sauce, which I was very appreciative of, because a lot of certain foods and stuff that we eat does have harmful chemicals in it because they preserve them to stay on the shelf longer. And that's a whole nother story. You can do a whole video on that. But the organic pasta sauce was really good. And pretty much to be able to get a box, you just want to make sure when you first sign up and you get a profile that you actually review certain items. And because you are like a newbie to influencer, most of the time it doesn't take them long to send you an email and for you to accept the box. So before they send you a box, they'll send you an email, oh, time's running out, go ahead and accept this box, and you'll pretty much receive the box in a week or two after they send you that email. So it's really simple. It's kind of like a community on reviewing products for different people, and you just see what you like and what you don't like. And for us, it's free. I mean, all of you have to do is do reviews, and most of the time when I do reviews on stuff, I normally do it like if I'm riding the transit from where I park my car to campus or something. It really doesn't take long, and I want to say they do have a limit on how many words you can type, like a minimum limit. Like they want you to at least do a thorough description or review on a product. Like you just say, you can talk about the consistency, whether you like it or not, when do you use it, and things like that. And they actually ask you to rate it. I think it's like 1 out of 5 stars or something, but it's very easy. You pretty much get to try out a lot of name brand products without even doing a lot of work or spending a lot of money. And like I said before, it's really good for small YouTubers because we all want to receive free products and do reviews on them so that our subscribers and whoever tunes into our channel be able to take the information to see if it'll work for them. So overall, I have been loving Influencer, and to be honest, I don't actually do a lot of reviews on some products. Like after I received my first box, I'm not for sure if I did reviews on any more products, but I received the second one, so I was like, okay, yay. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all go ahead and make your account. And by the way, all of the products that were sent to me by Influencer were free. This video is not sponsored. I'm just lending a helping hand to new and inspiring YouTubers like myself. I mean, when I discover new information, I like to share it with other people that's in the same boat than I am, in trying to grow my channel and trying to become a bigger YouTuber. So I hope this video was helpful and you all enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment about some products that you are currently loving right now, and I'll see you all in my next video.